Have you ever wanted guidance by your subconscious mind? Or just your conscious mind? Maybe you're doing it wrong. Maybe you need to read this book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. And I'm in chapter 12, and I'm going to read a few pages here, how to receive guidance from your subconscious. When you have to make what you think will be a difficult decision, or when you fail to see the solution to your problem, begin at once to think constructively about it. If you are fearful and worried, you are not really thinking properly. True thinking is free from fear. Here are the steps of a simple technique you can use to receive guidance on any subject. Quiet the mind and still the body. Tell the body to relax. It has to obey you. It has no volition, initiative, or self-conscious intelligence. Your body is an emotional disk that records your beliefs and impressions. Mobilize your attention. Focus your thought on the solution to your problem. Try to solve it with your conscious mind. Think how happy you would be about the perfect solution. Sense the feeling you would have if the perfect answer were yours now. Let your mind play with this mood of happiness and contentment in a relaxed way, then drop off to sleep. When you awaken, if you do not have the answer, get busy with something else. While you are preoccupied with something else, it is possible that the answer will pop into your mind. In receiving guidance from the subconscious mind, the simple way is the best. Here is an illustration. I once lost a valuable ring that was a family heirloom. I looked everywhere for it, but it was nowhere to be found. I was worried and distressed by the loss. That night, I talked to my subconscious mind in the same way that I would talk to anyone. Before dropping off to sleep, I said to it, "You know all things. You know where that ring is, and you now reveal to me where it is." In the morning, I woke up suddenly with these words ringing in my ear, "Ask Robert." This seemed very strange to me. The only Robert I could think of offhand was the 9-year-old son of my next-door neighbors. Why should he know anything about the location of my ring? However, I followed the inner voice of intuition. I found Robert in his yard and described the ring to him. "You haven't seen it, have you?" I asked. "Oh, sure," he replied. "I found it in the bushes yesterday when I was playing hide and seek. I didn't know whose it was, so I took it inside and put it on my desk. I was going to put up a sign about it, but I forgot." The subconscious mind will always answer you if you trust it. This book will give you all kinds of ways to be a better person. If you just think about it, you can change your life just by changing the thoughts you put into your subconscious mind. Get this book, will you? Change your life, change your thoughts. That's as easy as it is. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more